Hey guys, and welcome to day 23 of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried result, and look, the Pokeball is still there. I love it so much. It dried a little darker, but I actually really like how it dried. It gave it a more simplified look, I think. And so for today, what we're gonna do is we are going to do some blown flowers. And then what else? Red. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Okay, cool. And then you're gonna blow. Okay. Good job. And I'm gonna turn this a little bit to make it easier. Alright, so there are our flowers. I kind of just used my little scraper to bring them all inside to kind of connect the petals a little bit so they weren't so spacious, even though I kind of like both styles. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Alright, and here we are for our close-up. This one is my favorite for sure. I love that one. And then this one's got to be like my second favorite. And then my third. I love them all. I love that they're all different colors. So thank you so much, Nehemiah, for helping Mommy out again with the colors. You're amazing.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I love you so much, buddy. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried result.